Welcome to the Blending with Henry show. Hey you guys, Vitamix released a new version of their professional series 750. It's called Pearl Gray. Now we'll get into that in a moment. Now you guys know from my previous video titled My Vitamix My Story, I revealed that the Vitamix Pro 750 is my favorite amongst all Vitamix blenders. Now firstly you guys, this is my pride and joy, my Vitamix Pro 750. This is the original Vitamix Pro 750 with all the lights in the front of it. I just love it. The first real review was done right here on Blending with Henry when I compared it to the Ninja blender. Now as well as the new Pearl Gray, Vitamix also has the Heritage Collection in copper metal finish, which is stunning to look at, and the brushed stainless metal finish that is being replaced by the Pearl Gray. So, what's new about the Pearl Gray? Mainly it's about aesthetics. Now the motor base housing is darker than stainless steel and lighter than gunmetal. And in the paint, it has tiny sparkles of flecks that really stand out, and is dipped in a clear coat that gives it a gloss finish as well as protecting it from scratches, and it makes it easy to clean up from food spills. Now the Pearl Gray should easily fit in most styles of kitchens since it's not an overbearing bright color and it's not too dark like black that may stick out in white kitchens. Now the new design makes it ideal for families that may not keep things too tidy in the kitchen. Since I also have the Pro 750 Heritage Collection in copper metal finish shown on the right, I'm going to compare the two versions. Now on the faceplate, the Pearl Gray and the copper metal finish are identical in terms of the controls. But if you look closely at the 5 presets to the left of the variable speed dial, you'll notice they're much more pronounced on the Pearl Gray. That was the main issue I had with the Heritage Collection. Since the presets don't light up, they're much harder to see even in bright kitchen lighting. The Heritage Collection copper metal finish has smoother lines on the edges, and it has an actual metal housing, making it heavier but also quieter. The Pearl Gray has plastic housing which does not dampen blending noise as much as the Heritage Collection, but it makes for a lighter and weight body design. Okay, here I'm going to test the noise factor of the two blenders. Now, the Heritage Collection has a metal frame housing which aids in ambient sound dampening. Not a major difference, but it's quieter. This concludes the review of the Vitamix Pro 750 Pearl Gray. The Pro 750 comes with a 64-ounce container, recipe book, tamper, and a full 7-year warranty. While this is the end of the review, we're about to start up a whole new recipe. Continuing with my summer recipes I've been creating for you guys, such as my lemonade freeze drop, my Henry pineapple split, and the chilled soup green pea gazpacho, I have something really refreshing for you guys. It's my watermelon, cucumber, and lime slush. It's really the perfect slushy drink to serve at your summer barbecues. Perhaps the best slushy you'll have all summer. You can grab the full recipe on blendingwithhenry.com. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is cut up a seedless watermelon. Now I'm going to show you guys an easy and efficient way to get at the flesh. So I'm using a Santoku knife, which is perfect for fruits and veggies. So you want to start in the middle and cut it right in half. There, that was easy enough, okay? Now from here you can see the beautiful red flesh. Now I can end the video and eat that right now, okay? Now using 1/2 of the watermelon face down, begin to cut 1-inch slices from one side to the other side. There's definitely a benefit of doing it this way. Now we have perfect 1-inch slices across the entire half of the watermelon, and I'll show you how it will look as I pull out a slice from the middle. With your knife, cut alongside the edge of the watermelon flesh. This makes it easier to ensure you will avoid the white tasteless part of the rind. Now you can simply remove the rind and you will see you're getting 100% of the watermelon flesh. Now you can cut the watermelon into cubes. Place the watermelon cubes into the freezer for several hours or overnight. They will be used as the ice in the recipe. Before we get started on the recipe, I want to introduce you guys to the most prominent ingredient, the blended up bee-free vegan honey. Now I use this vegan honey almost every day and I've used it in my frozen summer recipes. Now I love Blended Up's products, but the bee-free vegan honey is sweet, tart, and goes great with almost everything you use honey with. Okay, to make the watermelon cucumber lime slush, we're using the Vitamix Pro 750 in Pearl Gray, of course, with the optional 40-ounce container. So the first ingredient is lime juice, simple syrup, the blended up bee-free vegan honey, and look how smooth it pours right out. English cucumber. Now I'm adding chili lime salt. Now this will add a little zing to the recipe and make it taste sweeter. A very small slice of jalapeno pepper with seeds removed. And now our watermelon ice cubes. A few fresh mint leaves. And 1 large basil leaf. Now I'm going to use the tamper to help process the ingredients. I'm going to start on variable speed 1 and quickly increase to the highest speed. Okay, you guys, it's a relatively short blend in order to maintain the slushy texture. You don't want to over blend and lose the frozen body of the slushy. I'll be right back so we can pour it up. Alright, now for presentation for your barbecues, add some watermelon slices, fresh mint and basil leaves on the tray, and chili lime salt around the rim of your cups. Now I'm ready to pour this up. This is exactly what you're looking for, a slushy frozen texture. Not to be confused with a smoothie, it's made differently. Now this is so refreshing with the mint, basil, lime juice, and chili lime salt. Now if you want a more frozen texture, just add another ½ cup of the watermelon ice cubes. It won't change the taste. This will totally quench your thirst during the hot summer. Just giving it a little stir for presentation. I'm adding a couple of festive straws to match the color of the watermelon. And there you go. The watermelon cucumber lime slush. Refreshing on the palate, easy to make, too easy to drink. A real thirst quencher that will certainly be a big hit at your summer barbecue. You've got to try it. In my opinion, the best blended recipes are made with a Vitamix. Now you must see the Vitamix Pro 750 Pearl Gray in person to appreciate this timeless beauty. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you're interested in the Vitamix Pro 750 in Pearl Gray, use the links below the video or on blendingwithhenry.com. Please hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button to get updates on new videos. I'll see you soon.